Seedance 2.5 just dropped, and today we are putting it head-to-head against Seedance 2.0 using the exact same prompts to see if it's really the biggest upgrade in AI video generation. Seedance 2.0 was already an incredible AI video model, but Seedance 2.5 changes the game completely with longer video generation, native synchronized audio, better prompt understanding, region-level editing, and much more. And here's the exciting part. Through the Higgsfield presale, you can start creating with unlimited Seedance 2.0 in 4K today and automatically unlock unlimited Seedance 2.5 when it launches. So, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. If you are trying to grow your content or business, you must understand the easiest way to use AI tools and keep yourself updated with the latest technology. This will help you stay competitive in the market. That's exactly why I'm using Higgsfield AI is your all-in-one AI platform. Whether you need image generation, video generation, voice generation, or other powerful AI tools, you'll find everything in one place. And now, Higgsfield has launched the Seedance 2.5 presale, where you can get 58% off along with unlimited AI video generation. As you can see, the max plan includes 7 days of unlimited Seedance 2.0 in 4K. After that, you'll get 7 more days of unlimited access to any Seedance model, including Seedance 2.5, Seedance 2.0 Mini, and Seedance Fast. During this period, you can generate as many videos as you want without worrying about generation limits. This offer isn't limited to the annual plan. You can also get it with the monthly plan. However, I highly recommend choosing the annual plan because you'll save 58% and unlimited Seedance is just one of the benefits. You'll also get unlimited access to many other AI models included with the Max plan, making it an incredible value if you create AI content regularly. I'll leave my link in the description below, so make sure to take advantage of this limited time presale before it ends. Now, let's watch the comparison videos generated by both models using the exact same prompt.
Camel! Wisht Gott! Wisht Blade!
As you can see, Seedance 2.5 delivers noticeably better results. The video quality is more cinematic, motion is smoother, and the overall consistency is significantly improved. It can generate videos up to 30 seconds long, supports up to 50 reference assets, and maintains consistent characters, camera movement, lighting, and scene details throughout the entire video. Just imagine the kind of content you can create with Seedance 2.5. If you want to experience it yourself, check out the link in the description and lock in the presale before it's gone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.